What's up, y'all? Not here. I hung it over here off the sidewall with two bolts right here. Machine bolts. I don't know how well you can see. So it's just something like that. I could use a piece of angle bracket that came down. I could bolt here for another tab. I think it's gonna bump there. I might zip tie it back. Or a piece of angle iron go down. That's how that's hooked up there. And here I drilled holes and I used but you can't quite see that one, but I used what are they called, body bolts. Went through the metal. I couldn't get to the other side like Dan suggested, but there you go. It's hung in the back of the car up there like that. I'm happy.